Ayan, busy si Juan sa pagmamayri ng kanyang pupuntahan. Thank you.
Welcome to Bantog Lake Ranch.
Yes, mga pangga, ito yung entrance ng Bantog Lake Ranch. So, konting kimbot lang, makikita ninyo yung ayun, may kabayo sa aking likuran. At saka makikita dito yung man-made na lake. Oh, diba? Pwede dyan mag-boating. Ganyan, oh, yan. So, enjoy lang sa weekend. Alright, again mga pangga, andito ako ngayon sa Kusina Remedios. So, ma-interview natin na maliit na mga tanong-tanong lang si ate. Ate, anong pangalan mo?
Christy, the marketing consultant of Bantog.
Ayan, si Miss Christy. Christy. So, si Miss Christy, so, kailan nagawa yung Bantog branch?
Opened 23
Bantog branch?
Bantog Lake Ranch.
Bantog Lake Ranch. So, kailan nagawa ito?
It opened last 2013.
Okay, 2013. Bakit kaya nagawa ang Bantog Lake Ranch na ito?
It is before, it's original sa Orchard Farm.
Okay.
And the family decided to continue the resort.
Okay. So, ano mga events ang nakikater dito sa Bantog?
Usually we host weddings,
Ah,
cruise, birthdays, baptisms.
okay.
Anything that you can imagine, like mga corporate events, also like Christmas parties.
Okay.
And also team building.
Bongga. At saka ang laki ng ang laki at saka yung lawak. Mga ilang hektarya ito?
It's a 5-hectare.
So, sa 5 hectares ngayon, ano-ano mga pwede nating gawin sa buong Bantog?
Okay, you can do, first of all, you can do horseback riding.
Yes.
You also have the swimming pools, you can do swimming.
Okay.
You also have boating.
Ah.
Of course, we have a lake here and you can also do fishing.
So may mga isda-isda
Yes,
dyan sa...
we have fishes there. We have a lot of fishes.
Talaga?
Kois,
Ah,
catfish, and of course, we have 2 kinds of tilapia here.
okay. So, pag mangingisda ka, parang ganon-ganon. So, habang nagbo-boating ka, nangingisda ka,
You can
ganon.
fish, or you can fish on the side, by the side of the lake.
Okay. So, maganda naman pala. Tsaka refreshing. Tsaka, ang ganda ng nature loving. Nature lovers, parang ganon.
You can enjoy fresh air here, relax in
Ah.
sunshine, wide open spaces, and of course, the great outdoors.
At saka sa ngayon kasi na magandang panahon. So, ang daming tao talagang pumupunta. So, sa ngayon, dahil pandemic, hindi open yung swimming pool.
Yes, currently our swimming pool is closed.
Ah.
We're waiting for the order of the Department of Tourism. But usually for GCQ, it's not open, and we're hoping if we turn into, our status na MGCQ.
Okay.
So, we're hoping if ever MGCQ na, will allow us to open.
Ay, bongga. Tsaka yung entrance fee.
Our entrance fee right now is 50 pesos. That's a limited offer.
Ah.
Until the end of December.
Okay.
So, 50 pesos. Before the regular entrance fee is 25 pesos.
Ah.
So, we offer the discounted.
So,
To celebrate the 50 years.
50 years?
This property was acquired by the Bantog family
Oo.
for 50 years.
Matagal na rin pala. So, bali ginawa na lang nilang resort. So, dati, anong lugar? Anong ito? Orchard?
And farm.
Okay.
Yes, Lanzones.
Kasi malamig yung malamig yung area. So maraming maraming nakikinabang, no? Tsaka maraming livelihood,
Not only
buhay.
that, inside
Ano yun?
It's an eco farm. We farm like mga vegetables.
Ah.
Vegetables.
Mga organic yon.
Yes, organic.
Ah, talaga? So, bongga.
Yes. We also have like mga seedlings. We also sell seedlings.
Ah.
Seedlings.
At saka ngayon, nauuso yung plantitas. So,
ornamental plants.
ayan. Thank you so much, Miss Christy, sa mga munting kaalaman dito sa Bantog. So, at least, sa mga hindi pa nakapunta dito sa Bantog, mayroon na kayong ideas kung bakit nagawa ang Bantog at sino ang may-ari ng Bantog Lake Ranch dito sa Granada, Bacolod. Lunch dito sa Bantog Lake Ranch. Ayan, kung sino tatapat, siya magbabayad. Si Mila. Uy, tama na si Mila na magbabayad. Ito yung aming bill. Ayan. So kung kanino magtatapat ito, siya magbabayad. Peke, kasi to peke.